So is your car stuck?
What are you doing? Like, what are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? It's completely stuck because there's someone stuck who's getting pulled out. So I'm stuck in the traffic here, but there are people that keep going around me, and now they're getting stuck up ahead too. So it's like just this big mass of cars. I don't know why people are passing me when I'm sitting here waiting to get through. Like, what are you doing?
Well, your car is not stuck to your,
It was almost stuck. I had to turn around at one point. But I'm gonna get stuck because people keep passing me. I don't know yet, because this place has a lot of hills, and I'm really struggling with some of these hills. And I keep having to stop because of these stupid people. Huh?
There's no different route that you can take?
No, not unless I turn around and go, like, all the way back. And see, one of the people that just passed me just slid off the road. Like, these people are retarded. They're making it worse. Oh my God. I'm stressing out. And I don't even know what the highways are like. I'm hearing on the radio that they're all backed up. And according to my GPS, I got 50 minutes to go. That's if there was no traffic, so I'm gonna be out here like all night.
You have 15 minutes to go if there's no traffic?
Yeah.
Your GPS doesn't count for traffic?
No, but I'm saying like if there weren't weather conditions, it would just be 50 minutes. I'm about to go pee.
Is that after you go around?
There are cars, but I'm in the woods, so I could go off in the woods. I'm worried because right in front of me is a big hill where people keep sliding off the road. So I have a feeling that when I get up there, I'm not going to be able to make it.
Hey, your car's pretty good in the snow.
Not really, it's too light. And if I get stuck, I'm done because I already turned around because I got stuck back the other way. So I will be trapped here if I can't get up this hill.
What you mean you already turned around?
I was heading down this way and I got stuck and all these people couldn't make it up this hill, so I turned around to go back. And now I'm going back the other direction. But now I'm at a hill and I don't know if I'm going to be able to make it. Oh, Lord.
You may be able to. People have been making it.
Some of them are off the side of the road though.
Yeah, I remember that one day when I was driving to work in the snow. And a lot of people got stuck that my car made it. My car is stuck in the snow.
Oh my God.
You just gotta, some people, the way they're driving too. Like if you feel your car flat, you have to respond to it.
Yeah.
So some of it is the people.
Oh, it definitely is. Oh my God, and people are still passing me. Like, stop. What are you doing? But that's the thing. I'm literally waiting in line to get through here, but people are passing me. So I can't. I'm stuck. What are you people doing?
Are you the last person waiting?
It's they just ran off the road and they blocked it again. Like, this is ridiculous. I'm not gonna be able to move through. Everyone that passes me gets slid off the road and then they block it even more. Like, I don't know what they're doing. Alright, I gotta go.